Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're starting on the laptop. Open your preferred browser and go to YouTube.com, then sign into your Google account if you haven't already. Once done, click your profile icon at top right to reveal account options. This is where theme controls live. Make sure the page fully loads before proceeding so settings appear. If you don't see the icon, confirm you're actually signed in and that extensions aren't blocking YouTube scripts, because blocked scripts often hide settings panels. From the profile menu, choose Appearance or Dark Theme. YouTube groups display preferences here. Click Dark Theme to toggle it on, and you'll see the interface switch immediately. This reduces eye strain and improves contrast. If you need the browser's system preference to control it, select the Use Device Theme option instead. Make sure to understand the difference because device control follows your OS-level dark mode settings. After switching, navigate to a video page. To finalize, confirm dark theme persists across pages and videos. Sign out and back in if it reverts. If the theme doesn't apply, clear browser cache and cookies, then retry, because stale files can prevent new settings from loading. Also disable extensions like style managers or ad blockers briefly. They often override appearance. If problems continue, update your browser or reboot the laptop. And as a last resort, use another browser to isolate whether the issue is browser-specific.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.